Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I am June Talisa George. I'm a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and this is another Practice Bookkeeping with Me session. We in there, it's lit, guys. I'm super excited. So you may or may not know, if you're new here, or if you've seen my other videos, or maybe perhaps seen one of my shorts, I started a 30-day practice bookkeeping challenge. And this challenge is all about just trying to build confidence within the QuickBooks software. Instead of just watching another tutorial that only shows you how to do certain things, I want to go inside QuickBooks Online Sample Company and treat it as if it is my actual client. And I want to think like a bookkeeper and try to, just learn, practice, and just share my thought process along the way. So I'll be thinking out loud. Whether you're new to bookkeeping, studying QuickBooks Online, or you just want some hands-on practice, you're definitely in the right place. So you can feel free to, put me up side by side and we can explore it together. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump into the QuickBooks Sample Company now. Okay, so we're back in the accountant suite, and we're going to come over here and go to the sample company, hit continue, and we're in. Let me go ahead and start the timer. So yeah, let's just do what we did last time. Let's go to the bank feed. So we're in the bank feed. Let's collapse this. That's my cat. I have a cat. Any cat lovers? Any cat moms? Cat dads? Let's go ahead and put Bessie the vendor on here, and we'll put this into the refund income account. Where is that? I feel like I'm missing it. Refunds, right? That was not refunds. It's the next one. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and post it. And we're gonna do the same thing for this one. Because like it says in the bank description that it is a refund. But remember, we actually had to add A1 as a vendor because we're getting a refund from them. Obviously, we would add all of their information if this was our real client. But we don't have their information because this is just practice. And this was another refund. So we're going to go down to that refund income. And we're going to go ahead and post it. It's the same thing we did last time. Okay. So we have a match. No, we don't. Based on transaction details, there's no related historical transactions. Okay, we do not have a match. Can we get rid of this? All right, so let's go ahead and put A1 rental. And what was it? It was equipment rental. Yep. This looked good to me. So let's go ahead and post that. And then we have this one as well. A1 rental. It was an expense. It's saying that it's equipment rental. I'm gonna just say yes because it's $800. So I'm not sure what we rented because it's not on the description. But let's just go ahead and post it. Now, like if we had a client and we didn't know, if this was our real client and we didn't know, I'm guessing, we can base it off of everything that we know about the client. Because when we onboard our clients, we're gonna get a lot of information like what is their job, what are they usually spending their money on. Like me personally, that's what I want to do with my clients when I have the onboarding and I have that interview and I sit down and talk to them. I want to get to know them, get to know their business, and really, so that I can have as much information I can without having to always be like, in their face trying to get information. But worst case scenario, we just wait. We don't post it if we just absolutely can't figure it out. We don't post it. That's fine. Okay, so it's two matches found. We had did this last time, and so on June the 18th, Pam seats, it actually matches an expense. So we can go ahead and match that because that's an expense that was already posted in QuickBooks. Then we have another one here. Let's check this one out. This is a deposit. Oh yeah, I remember we did this last time. So it matches a deposit that's already in the system for $868.15. So it's a deposit that we put into the bank. So let's go ahead and match it. All right, what's this one? Fix hardware. And it says that we can match it as well. So on June 18th, we had $228.75. And it says that uh, we made a check within QuickBooks for the same you know transaction. So we can go ahead and match that. All right, let's see what this is. It says that we can match it. They found a bill payment for PG&E for the same price for the same date. 14.9 cents. Good enough to match to me. Obviously, if we have a client, we're gonna have more information. You know what I'm saying? We'll know a little bit more. So yeah. So this is pretty much the gist of what our job is as a bookkeeper. So 408, we had a deposit. Yep, we're receiving 408. Same date, same date. Go ahead and match it. Sure, why not? And we just going down and we matching all these things. We done already did all the categorizations. All right, so I'm thinking. So these are matches. Do we have any more categorizations? Okay, so we got some categorizations right here. All right, and this is an expense. So let's see what happens. Like, okay, so in the bank feed right here, right, we see an expense on the master credit card for $150 um to Lara's lamination for business cards. So let's say let's just pretend like we do this. We create a we're gonna pay a vendor an expense. Let's say we create an expense and we're gonna pay them. We're gonna pay Lara's lamination. She is not in the book, so we need to add her. We need to add her. So obviously we're gonna put all these things, business cards.com. We're just making up stuff. Add her address. 152 uh Florida. Let's say Drury Lane. Drury Lane. I'm just making up stuff. Let's add her in there. All right. And it's not going this expense, we're gonna use the MasterCard for this expense. And I forgot already how much it costs, but you know what? We can change it. So this is gonna be for promotional expense. And we're gonna say that this is business cards. But I wanna see if I make this expense, let's see if the QuickBooks will pick it up that there's something that can match it. What was it? $150? 150. Um, yeah, $150. I forgot the date. That is what I forgot. I think the date was 7/12. I think the date was 7/12. So let's save and close it. It was yes. So look, it literally picked up the expense that I just did. So QuickBooks found it. This information can't be added when matching. Okay. So we're matching somebody. So there's the expense that we paid, $150 to letter lamination. Find it, match it. Dues and descriptions. So let's see what this is. Let's see if we can match this. Or I mean, categorize it because it doesn't have a match. I wish that could like go away. There is a way to make that go away, isn't there? To turn that off. I wonder. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So we have Amazon. We have $89 that we're receiving from Amazon account dues and subscriptions. We're receiving something, so that's probably gonna be another refund, huh? Because why else would you receive money from Amazon? Interesting. Oddly enough, see how you gotta pay attention and stuff. And I would imagine like being a bookkeeper, that's really what it all boils down to, is paying attention to what the heck you do. uh, we don't even really need to add Amazon because Amazon, this might be just, let's say Amazon software, and we receiving money from Amazon software. So they're probably refunding us. Maybe we purchased some software from them, or not we, but Craig, my client. Maybe my client purchased some software from Amazon, and they returned it and they got a refund. That's the only thing that I can think of. So yeah, let's go ahead and post it. Got some more matches. Credit card expense. This was on 6/30 for $19.99. Is there another 6/23 for $19.99? Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. So we're gonna match it to the right one. And notice that's a negative $19.99. I think it's negative $19.99 because it's a when you make a purchase on a credit card, it's really a credit. So it's gonna be decreasing, right? Because you owing, it's a liability. I don't know, y'all. Tell me if I'm right or wrong down in the comments. I'm trying to apply what I learned. You feel me? Um. Okay. So we got Bob's Burgers. He spent. This is an expense. Credit card expense. Bob's Burger. Okay. He went to a burger joint. Yep. Let's match it. Got the same date. 6/23. Yep. This is actually pretty easy. This is what you're gonna be doing, really. Oh yeah, we just seen that. Okay, let's go ahead and match that one. So we got Norton Lumber and Building Materials. We had a bill payment for the same date, for the same price. Yep, let's go ahead and match it. We got one more. The same date in the bank feed, same date in the books, an expense, same vendor. All right, let's go ahead and match it. Same price, $82.45. Ooh, we just got this one in good standing. Ooh. Let's see what's in the bank. We got a deposit in our savings. Yep, same price, same date. Let's match it. Y'all, we literally almost did this whole thing. I got 1 minute. Let's see if I can do it. So these are pretty much matches. 6/16. It's a received payment from our customer Travis Waldron for $103.55. Okay, let's match it. Sounds good to me. This is an expense from Pies Cakes. Refund receipt. $87.50. The same date. I don't understand that one, guys. So they're saying that this is a refund receipt, but we spent money. So I guess Craig had to give them a refund. Pest control was ineffective. Oh, so not we, but my client did some pest control and it was ineffective. And they had to refund them. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Let's go back. I hope it's still okay, yeah. Oh, that's my time. That's my time. Okay, so he had to refund them. Yep, so it's a match. Well, that's my time anyway. So that was fun, guys. We did some more matching and categorizing. How fun is that? And like honestly, that's pretty much the gist of what you're gonna be doing as a bookkeeper. What we gonna be doing as a bookkeeper, within QuickBooks Online. That's like really that's our home. The basic function, like categorizing, matching, um, reconciling. We haven't done that yet. And what's the other thing? Generating reports. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look, we almost went through the whole bank fee. We almost cleared out the whole bank fee. We only have 15 more transactions to do. Maybe next time I'll see if I can do them all before the 15 minutes. I probably will be able since I did it now. So it's pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I hope you guys are having a good time and with me. So yeah, let me close out of this and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, that's it for today's practice session. Oh man, what this is day 2 of the practice with me 30-day challenge. Listen, guys, every time we log into the Simple Company, we're building our confidence just one step at a time. And y'all know, I truly believe that practice is one of the best ways to become better at bookkeeping. And I'm glad that you're here on this journey with me. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments what you'd like for us to practice next. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Practice Bookkeeping with Me session. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing with less stress, more clarity, more confidence. I'll see you in the next one.